Hey Broskies, come join me in preparing your lunch. Let's go! I just woke up. I haven't brushed my teeth or washed my face. Talagang bangon lang. Since this is the start of the vlog, I'll explain everything. I have a lot to do this week, so I have decided to vlog this because a lot of happened to me in the past few months. And hindi ko yun na-vlog kasi full story siya. And gusto ko ma-vlog ko na yun yung mga mangyayari this time. So, let's start the vlog!
Hindi ko kinikilig.
Hello, broskies. It's Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day, broskies. So, nag-aayos ako nito. Yan. Flowers. Samahan nyo kami ni Pisco mag-ayos ng flowers. So, let's go.
Venue. So, bakit na kami?
Dito kami ngayon sa Houston Alley, near USD. So we're gonna taste all the foods that are, nakailera here. Let's go! Organic encounter! Organic encounter! So mga broskies, we are buying pultak. And to get ready, we're choosing this. Let's go! So what are we gonna do today? We're going to celebrate.
Your husband is coming.
Bundes ng mga.